in this video, we're going to talk about molar mass. And what molar mass is the weight of an atom or molecule to produce 1 mole. So in our previous video, we realized that the weight for iron, it was 55.85 grams per mole, which is the equivalent of the atomic weight. So for all elemental species, their atomic weights are their molar masses. But in the case of molecules, right, let's take H2O for example, the atomic weight is not the molar mass, right? Because this is a collection of atoms. So what we need to do is use the molecular weight to form the molar mass, right? So in our case, we have hydrogen, right, which has an atomic mass approximately of 1. We have oxygen, which has an atomic mass of approximately 1, and this guy's 1, this guy's 8, right? So here, what we want to do is take the sum of all of the atomic species to get the molecular weight, right? And that will give us the molar mass. So in our case, we have 2 hydrogens. So it would basically be the sum of, let's do it this way. It would be the atomic weight of hydrogen plus the atomic weight of hydrogen plus the atomic weight of oxygen is going to be equal to the molecular weight of H2O, is basically what I'm saying. So in our case right here, it's going to be 1 plus 1 plus 16, which is going to be 18. So the molar mass of H2O is going to be equal to 18 grams per mole. And it's actually that simple. So what we'll do here is another example. In this case, we'll talk about, let's do, do something, let's do CO2, right? Carbon dioxide. So for carbon dioxide, what we want to know is, let's break it down a little bit. Carbon, element 6, and its atomic weight is 12. Oxygen, element 8, atomic weight 16. So in these cases, I'm rounding a little bit. You don't always want to round. Now, we're going to take the atomic weight of carbon and add it with the atomic weight of oxygen, and then the atomic weight of oxygen. So when we do these, we want to account for all of the elements in the molecule. So in this case, we have 1 carbon and 2 oxygens. Therefore, there's going to be 3 species we need to add together, right? And this is basically going to be 12 plus 16 plus 16, right? So this is the molecular weight of CO2. So this number is going to be 46. 40, oh, I don't know what that is. 44, right? Grams per mole for CO2. Okay, so to recap here, the molecular weight for an atomic species, so the molecular weight for an atomic species is just the atomic weight off periodic table. Oh, I'm sorry, I meant molar mass. And the molecular, for a molecular species, is the molecular weight right? But the molecular weight is nothing more than the sum of all of the atomic weights of the elements in the molecule. Okay, and that's pretty much it for molar mass.